Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel SkillDouble. So this video is going to be special because as of now, our channel have passed more than 100 subscribers, and this is something very valuable for me, being a very small channel. And thank you so much for you all who have subscribed this channel, and those who are new to this channel, subscribe it, because this channel is about Microsoft tools and Power BI and PL-300 exams specifically. So week on week I'm going to create few videos which is going to help you all out. So make sure you click that like button, subscribe my channel, and share this channel to your friends. All right, so like recently I have seen in the comments that people are asking if you fail you have to pay the fees again or not. So my answer would be yes, you need to pay the fees again. So in India the fees is around 5,000 rupees. So you need to pay that again if you fail, and once you pay that then you can give the exam again. But however, you can go through the website, because there are some limitations in giving the exam. Maybe like after the first attempt you have to at least make sure that 24 hours have been passed. So here is the rule that they have set for the retest. You can see it on the screen, and I also given the link where you can find this. I hope this video was helpful to you. If yes, then please do click that like button. And thank you so much, guys, going through my video. See you soon, everyone. Till then, those who are giving the PL-300 exam, all the best to you. And those who are trying to or practicing it out or working on before the exam, and then please let me know if you need any help. Thank you so much, guys. See you soon in the next video. Till then, take care and bye for now.